For 2024, the HCL software team has added some outstanding new features to take CAMWorks 2024 to an entirely new level. All new machine-aware programming has been added to empower companies to build a complete digital twin of the CNC machine and setup using integrated smart manufacturing. The new machine-aware programming feature allows CAMWorks users to display a digital twin of the machine directly inside the SOLIDWORKS part or assembly file, along with the part model, stock, tooling, and fixturing or work holding components. As a part of the new machine-aware programming, toolblocks have also been added to the CAMWorks UI and TechDB for accurate display of the turning and mill turn tooling assemblies. If your company is programming CNC turning and mill turn machines, you'll also be pleased to know a new option is available for CAMWorks 2024. The ultimate in high-performance rough turning, VoluTurn. VoluTurn is a powerful new technology that can significantly reduce cycle time and increase insert life when rough machining turned parts. And VoluTurn will now be available for CAMWorks 2024. Using carbide or ceramic round inserts, VoluTurn is ideal for rough turning of hard materials, but also can dramatically reduce cycle time and increase insert life when rough turning softer materials. For advanced 5-axis milling and mill turn applications, CAMWorks 2024 has integrated all new 5-axis roughing, finishing, and smoothing technology. Using the latest 5-axis technology, CAMWorks can now create time-saving 5-axis adaptive roughing toolpaths and 5-axis finishing toolpaths using barrel tools that include smoothing technology to reduce cycle time and improve surface finishes. Great new UX improvements have also been added to CAMWorks 2024, including the dynamic highlighting of the machining features and operations when the mouse cursor is hovered over a feature on the SOLIDWORKS part model in the graphics area, and the ability to specify cut depths by a percentage of flute length makes CAMWorks 2024 both easy to use and exceptionally powerful. All these enhancements and more for CAMWorks 2024 can help you reduce programming and cycle time, increase productivity, and improve the quality of your CNC machined parts. Don't miss out on the latest advanced technology. Contact your SOLIDWORKS or CAMWorks reseller and get CAMWorks 2024 today. For more information, go to camworks.com.